Hello everyone, I'm Tanvi and I'm currently pursuing Beyond Sanskrit at St. Stephen's College. Whenever people hear the word Sanskrit, they often think it's only about memorizing shlok and reading classical texts. But my experience in the Department of Sanskrit at St. Stephen's College has been completely different. There are many excellent colleges that offer Sanskrit, पर जो बात सेंट स्टीफेंस कॉलेज को अलग बनाती है is its unique approach towards teaching. Here, Sanskrit is not limited to textbook or traditional interpretations. We are encouraged to connect it with literature, philosophy, linguistics, culture, law, and even contemporary issues. One thing that I admire the most is that our teachers always encourage us to think critically. सिर्फ जो लिखा है उससे एक्सेप्ट करना ही ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं होता. वी आर एनकरेज टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस, एनालाइज डिफरेंट व्यू पॉइंट्स एंड डेवलप आवर ओन अंडरस्टैंडिंग. यही चीज लर्निंग को और इंटरेस्टिंग बना देती है. And our department is fortunate to have exceptional faculty members. We have Dr. Chandrabhushan Jha, the head of the department. He is a distinguished scholar of Sanskrit grammar, literature, and modern Sanskrit studies. He also went to Croatia to taught Sanskrit, and he has received numerous awards for his contributions to Sanskrit scholarship. We have Dr. Pankaj Kumar Mish. He is one of our permanent faculty members. He is known for his depth of knowledge and clarity in teaching. His classes, they are always interactive, and he constantly motivates students to think beyond the prescribed syllabus. He has published numerous books and research papers while actively contributing through lectures and seminars. And then there is Dr. Ashutosh Dayal Mathur. Although he has retired from regular service, he still comes to teach us. यही उनकी डेडिकेशन को क्लियरली दिखाता है. His knowledge of Ved, Upanishad, Indian philosophy, the Hindu law, Dharma Shastra makes every lecture insightful and intellectually enriching. Apart from our permanent faculty, we also have wonderful guest lecturers. We also have wonderful guest lecturers who bring fresh ideas and different perspectives to the classroom. हर lecture में कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है. Another thing that makes this department special is its environment. The faculty members, they are approachable, supportive, and they are always willing to guide students. यहाँ आप questions पूछ सकते हैं, hesitate नहीं करते. Instead, you are encouraged to be curious and think independently. For me, studying Sanskrit at St. Stephen's has never been just about earning a degree. It has helped me develop critical thinking, broaden my perspective, and appreciate the richness of Indian knowledge of traditions in a meaningful way. अगर आप संस्कृत पढ़ने का सोच रहे हैं, I would definitely recommend to explore the Department of Sanskrit at St. Stephen's College.